Shout out to Jesus Connor for this. Oh my god. So, this is actually cheaper on the CPO website. This is factory reconditioned straight from Milwaukee themselves. It is in as new condition, close to pristine, $314.99. This is the 10-inch M18 fuel miter saw, not the 7. Absolutely redonkulous. I'll leave the link in the description down below. I mean, what else is there to say, fam? This is... I don't know how I missed this the first time, but I'm not sure how many they have in stock. They have a money-back guarantee. They are an authorized Milwaukee reseller. Looks like all of the Milwaukee deals are live on CPO right now. It's worth a look. Have at it, fam. Good luck.